Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Pawan Kumar from 17 Software having roll number is 47. I am presenting my project that is basically a web portal for the submission of research paper to Mehran University Research Journal. And we are working under the supervision of Dr. Kasim Maran. Before moving further, I would like to introduce my group member, Mr. Masood Ahmad, having roll number is 79. Now introduction. Generally, in most of the institute, submission of research paper are done manually. So to avoid this, we developed a web portal that facilitates our institute for the submission of research paper virtually. Problem statement: the biggest drawback in the paper-based work is that it's very hard to keep the track of each author code and also require penalty space to store the article. It's very hard to check the plagiarism in hard copy. Our aim to design a web portal where author can submit the article in a given format, and our objective to develop a web portal which provide fast track submission, fast feedback system, blind peer review. Blind peer review, which means that reviewer don't know the identities of author, affixation, and checking the plagiarism automatically. That will done uh, through our API, CopyLeak API. These are the technology that we have used in our project. And here is the our web portal. In the first page, we have given the introduction of our web portal, and in the editor team menus, we have a list of the editor, and in the achieve we will displaying all the accepted research paper here. If anyone wants contact about their research paper, they just fill this form and submitted it. In the About panel, we have given the introduction about uh, our university, and this is the scope, means that these are the field that accept the research paper. In the sidebar menu, we have given the instruction for the submission of the research paper, and submission guideline means that the format of the research paper and the review process. Now we are submitting the research paper. If author don't have an account, they just register themselves, and I have an account, so I'm logging. Here you can see that the author dashboard. I already have submitted two research paper. Now I am submitting software and machine learning, and uploading the file. That is the name is, and write it here the abstract. Submitted. The research paper successfully submitted. As we can see that the article status we have submitted the research paper here. Here you can see that our article is still in the pending. Now moving towards the reviewer panel, admin have provided Gmail. Admin have provided access to the reviewer. This is the dashboard of the reviewer. Here you can see that on the first page, on the home page, these are the pending research paper I have submitted today. This is the pending. If I return, this is forward to the author. Here we can see status is changed. Author is rejected the form. Now moving to this is the reviewed research paper. Now moving towards the admin panel. Now admin can log in and manage all the stuff. Here you can see that on the home page, this is the list of uh, reviewer. We have just only one reviewer. In this is the pending article, uh, and this is the reject article. We have submitted the research paper that is in the rejected list. Now these are the reviewed articles. This is not our complete FIB, but few functionality remaining, just like the copy leak API and confirmation email. And this is our database. Thank you so much.